Am I gonna get
No,
hit?
no.
What are you doing?
Good morning, everybody. We are in the boonies. We're going shooting.
And Levi can't hear us.
He cannot hear a word we're saying.
Man, can you believe Levi looks that way?
I know, right?
These things are great.
Levi, right?
Yeah, he's the worst.
All right, Aubrey.
Dang it.
He is the
I
absolute
can't wait for him
worst.
to watch this video. and
First
see us
thing you gotta
talk
learn
I
how to
know,
load a
right?
gun, Aubrey.
He has no
I don't even
idea.
care how
Okay,
we
gotta
do it.
learn.
He probably
Here.
won't teach us good anyway. Gosh dang it, Levi.
And
Do I
then you
have
gotta
to put
open
my
your box of
headphones in
ammo
now?
there. And you're gonna start putting some rounds in it.
I don't know how to do that.
Look at Levi. My goodness. Embarrassing. How dare you?
I had it in so good that I'm like, what was he saying?
You'll have to watch the video and find out.
Okay.
Okay.
Here are the bullets.
What am I
We got
supposed to
full FLJ.
What is it? Oh, they're gold plated. That's why you're a real
Gold
gangster.
plated.
Okay, sorry. So the way it goes. Yep. So the way we have you put it here.
do? Ah!
Oh, now it's dirty.
It's okay.
Hello, world. Mario socks.
Shout out to Mario's 35th anniversary. Aubrey's looking fresh to death.
Aubrey,
with her
getting all
glasses.
ready.
These glasses are
Ooh.
Oh, crazy.
okay. I'm scared.
Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to pull the trigger.
I'm scared.
Okay, hold it.
It's heavy.
Oh, yeah. No. Hold on. Don't bust your finger. Do not put your finger behind it. This thing's gonna slide back really strong.
Okay.
Okay, hold it.
Am I gonna get
No,
hit?
no.
What are you doing? You can only point the gun that way. Nowhere else.
Never.
I'm scared.
Don't turn.
No.
Oh my god.
What am
Look,
I supposed to do?
Look, straight ahead.
shooting.
Take a breath.
Am I shooting?
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger. What are you?
Thomas, you go.
Okay, do you want me to go first or?
Yep.
I'm not afraid.
I'm afraid.
Let me see. Oh, hang on.
I got it.
The trigger is all the way pulled already.
It is?
Yeah. I don't know what's happening. Oh, you're not pulling it all
I'm
the
not
way.
pulling it all the way.
So you're getting halfway and you're there like shaking, holding the gun. Miss.
Was that miss?
To me, they all look like misses. I don't know.
The dust was.
You're tricking the gun.
Oh, so I got.
You
pulled.
gotta commit to it and you gotta go for it. It's not like I'm gonna pull halfway down, then I'm gonna give it a final squeeze.
Okay.
You commit for it, you go all the way.
All right.
The moment your finger goes on the trigger, that's when you pull all the way down. There you go.
That hit.
There you go. Oh, wow! She got it! Good job!
Did she hit the log?
Good job!
You missed.
Oh!
You hit the target.
You're right here.
Right there at the corner.
Give it to me. Where's the bullet?
Did you hit it?
I don't know.
I think you hit the.
Oh, you did it. You hit it. You hit it. Right here.
I hit it. I must have.
You hit it right there. How did I not hit it?
Show this log what's up.
Nice.
Higher.
Higher.
Lower. Higher. Oh. You got the
Here?
log.
Where?
You skimmed the top.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
You wanna go?
Yeah, those. You're getting good.
Can't even get it.
There. Yeah,
Wait,
that's awesome.
Guys, we found the remnants of Levi's video ideas.
Let me just make sure Thomas's hat's back here.
Look at that.
It's so sad.
Hooves and all.
Do you guys